and today I will be doing the kids review of the 2024 Volvo XC90 B6, and this one's blue. Even with all the seats up, it's got a lot of room for my stuff, like my swimsuit, my purse, my sister's scooter, my sister's helmet, of course, my brother's soccer gear, my brother's soccer ball, and whatever this is. And even though I can't reach the top, it's so easy with just a swipe of your foot. Easy peasy. Isn't that cool? It's really easy to get into the back seat. Just watch. Ta-da! And in the back seat, there is a place where I can store my cup. And there's a little secret compartment where I can store my snacks and where little Ted, the spider here, can hang out. This car is built for kids. It even has its own booster seat. See? Isn't that cool? It's got a backup camera, but watch this. You can see all around the car. It's really cool. I like it. I personally like windows when they go all the way down. Let's see if this one does. I think it does. Thanks for watching this kids review. See you next time.